happy. I have money now. Yes, enough for my starving mother and brothers.
Vincent, usog yung upuan mo.
Please, let me go home. Let me go home before you imprison me. Very well, officers. Take me to your headquarters. Good morning, Captain. No, Captain, you are mistaken. I was once a good boy just like the rest of you here, just like any of your sons. But time was when I was reared in slums. But we lived honestly. We lived honestly in life. My father, mother, brothers, sisters, and I. But then, poverty enters the portals of our home. My father became jobless. My mother became ill. The small savings that my mother had kept for our expenses were spent all for our daily needs, and her needed medicine. One night, my father went out, telling us he would be back in a few minutes with plenty of foods and money. But that was the last time I saw him. He went out with another woman. If I could lay my hands on his neck, I would wring it without pain until he breathes no more. If you were in my place, you would do it, wouldn't you, Captain? What? You still don't believe me? Come, I'll show you a dilapidated shanty by the railroad. Mother, mother, I'm home. Mother, mother. There, Captain. See my dead mother. Captain, there are tears in your eyes. Now pack the stolen money and return it to the owner. What good is this? For my mother, do you hear me? She's already gone. If I could be blamed for the things I have done,